Cornwall to Sydney. The time is 5 minutes to 9. It's alright to turn your phone on if you can reach it without leaving your seat. Please do remain seated until the aircraft stops at the gate and the seatbelt sign goes off. This evening we'll be parking at gate 13. And you can collect your luggage from the baggage carousel number 4 on the ground floor. In case you're not familiar with Sydney Airport, Qantas operates from 3 terminals here. If you need to instruct friends or relatives where to pick you up, coming into domestic terminal 3. We're at any international transfers this evening. QF21 Tenerita. Make your way down to the international transfer counter located opposite gate lounge number 2. And please be careful when opening lockers, as luggage may have moved during the flight. Once the seatbelt sign's been turned off, you'll be leaving through the forward door. Make sure you check your seat and seat pocket for any small items before you leave. And just a reminder, smoking is not permitted while leaving the aircraft or anywhere in the buildings. It's been our pleasure to be in service on our flight from Brisbane this evening. Trust you've enjoyed your time with us as well. And we look forward to seeing you sometime in the very near future. On behalf of Captain Darren Sheridan and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying the Qantas. We certainly appreciate that. Until next we meet, have a lovely evening, and once again, welcome to Sydney.